The term model is used to mean a teaching episode done by an experienced teacher in which a highly focused teaching behavior is demonstrated. In it, an individual demonstrating particular patterns which the trainee learns through imagination. It is a way to talk and think about instruction in which certain facts may be organized, classified, and interpreted. Bruce Joyce and Marcia will describe the model of teaching as a plan or pattern that can be used to shape curricula, design instructional materials, and to guide instruction in the classroom and other settings. Thus, teaching models are just instructional designs. They describe the process and producing particular environmental situations which cause the student to interact in such a way that specific change occurs in his behavior. A model of teaching is a set of interrelated components arranged in a sequence which provides guidelines to realize specific goal. It helps in designing instructional activities and environmental facilities, carrying out of these activities and realization of stipulated objectives. Models of teaching are designed for specific purposes. The teaching of information concept, way of thinking, the study of social values, and so on by asking students to engage in particular cognitive and social tasks. The models center on delivery by the instructor while others develop as the learners respond to tasks and the student is regarded as a partner in the educational enterprise. Now we will discuss about some basic characteristics of a teaching model. Teaching is considered as an art. Teaching models encourage this art by providing learning environment. Teaching models bring about the qualitative development of personality as it helps in developing human abilities. It also increases the teacher's social competency. Teaching model uses the student's interest as it constructed on the basis of individual differences. Every teaching model is influenced by the philosophy of education. Hence, teachers formulate different models of teaching under the influence of philosophy they believe. In every teaching model, answers to all the fundamental questions pertaining to the behavior of students and teachers are included. Teaching models provides proper experiences to both teacher and student. Selecting the content and presenting it for learning before the student is the main essentiality of teaching. This difficulty is solved when a teacher presents appropriate experience before the student. The basis of the teaching model is the maxims of the teaching. They are the foundation of each teaching model. The development of a teaching model is based on regular and continuous practice and concentration. The proper development of a teaching model is only possible when the assumptions are made clear by related thinking. Types of teaching models. Every teaching model has its specific objective. In order to achieve the objective of a teaching model, the teacher has to choose right type of model for achieving the particular objective. The teaching models have been classified into three main types. The first one is philosophical teaching models, under which the insight model, the impression model of teaching, the rule model. The second one is psychological model of teaching, under which basic teaching model and interaction model of teaching and computer-based teaching model. The third one is modern teaching models by Joyce and Well. Joyce and Well identified 23 models in which classified into 4 basic families based on the nature, distinctive characteristics and effects of the models. These 4 families are: the first one is information processing models, under which concept attainment model, inquiry training model, the advanced organizer model, cognitive growth development model and biological science inquiry model. The second one is personal models, under which non-directive teaching model, synaptics teaching model, awareness training model, classroom meeting model and conceptual system model. The third one is social interaction models. The models which belongs to this family are group investigation model, jurisprudential inquiry model, laboratory training model, social simulation model, social inquiry model and role play model. Fourth and the last one is behavior modification model, under which operant conditioning model. In the next couple of videos, we will discuss about different types of teaching models. Now try this.